Methods. So in this section, we will learn some of the methods in Java. First, we will learn what a method is and how to create methods in Java. Then we're going to learn declaration and calling of methods. Then we're going to play with some method types. And of course, we will learn method return types. Then we will learn method overloading. So what is method and method declaration? Method is a set of statements to perform an operation. Methods are also known as procedures or functions. The main advantage of method is code reusability. You can write a method once and use it multiple times. You don't have to rewrite the entire code every time. It's great. You can think of it as write once, reuse multiple times. You see the general form of a method declaration here. Now, a return type is a data type of the value that is returned by the method. So it can be a primitive type such as int, or a class type such as string or void. Now, of course, each method has its own name. So a method name begins with a lowercase letter and compound words. So in multi-word names, the first letter of each of the second and the following words should be capitalized. We'll discuss naming rules for methods in the upcoming lecture. A parameter is a value passed to the method. So methods can take one or more parameters. If the method has more than one parameter, then these parameters are separated by commas. If methods work with data, we must pass the data to the methods. And this is done by specifying them inside parentheses. So if the method does not take any argument, just simply leave the parentheses empty. So if any method is not declared void, then it must contain a return statement with a corresponding return value. The data type of the return value must match the method's declared return type. So in other words, you can't return an integer value from a method declared to return a Boolean. We'll cover method return types later on in the next slide, in fact. So the method body is enclosed between braces. The method body includes declaration of variables as well as other codes of methods. And then finally, in our example, we defined a method that its name is addNumber with the int as its data type. And we have x and y parameters, and our method finds the sum of x and y and saves the result in a new variable sum, and returns the value of the variable sum. So also we can directly return x plus y as a statement instead of assigning a new variable.